Farming changes the world. The Neolithic period saw one of the biggest changes in human history. Instead of hunting and gathering all their food, people began to farm. How did farming change the way in each people lived? What foods did they eat and what crafts did they do? Where and when were the first farmers? People first started farming about 11,000 years ago. These people lived in Mesopotamia, an area that covered parts of modern-day Iraq and Syria. People planted grain crops and started to domesticate some of the animals they used to hunt. They still gathered food, hunted animals, and fished. The change of farming happened slowly. Farming did not reach Europe until about 6000 BCE. There were many tasks in a Neolithic farming community. Changing the land. Farmers changed the land around them. They cleared plants and forests to grow their crops. Their animals ate the wild plants. Farmers sometimes dug channels to bring water to their crops. Farmers sometimes built a dam across the river. They sometimes traced the hillside. Changing diet. People who lived on farms ate cereals such as wheat and barley. They grew the cereals instead of only gathering grains from wild plants. Animals such as sheep, goats, and cows provide meat and milk. New technology. Farming led to inventions such as plow. Other tools improved too. People now polish their stone tools. The polished stone had a smooth surface and a better cutting edge. People made pots, vases, and other items for pottery. They used these pots to store and move food and drink. Why was using domesticated animals a good way to pull a plow? Early farming communities also developed textiles. The textiles were made from plants such as cotton and flax. Flax was used to make iron. Sheep and goats provide wool. New jobs. Some people became very good at pottery. This became the special work they did. Our community sometimes grew more food than it needed. The community used the extra food to trade with other groups. Trading became another type of work.